Welcome. My name is Max Hackman, and today we're going to do a basic search with the Health and Wellness Resource Center database. The first thing we want to do after getting to the DSC library homepage is scroll down and look on the right-hand side of the page for the database link. This will take us to an alphabetical listing of all the databases that we have at Daytona State College. We want to go to the H's and scroll down to the Health and Wellness Resource Center. We'll select that and it'll actually open in a new tab. I've already logged in. If you have any trouble logging in, please contact us through chat or email, or check out the tutorial we have on logging into the library databases. Once we get here, you can do a basic search here at the very top of the page, where you can scroll down topics of interest. They have three main topics. Kind of scroll through here, but you can also browse the most popular topics of the day. Certain ones have been updated. You can also browse even more topics if you go in. Let's go ahead and just check out epidemiology, which has recently been updated. Once you guys find a topic to search, if you scroll down, it'll give you an overview of what that topic is, and then it'll have all the resources available from that topic here. All right, let's go ahead and look in under academic journals. You can also search these even more. On the right hand side there's more limiters, so we can do just peer-reviewed journals, narrow that down even more. Alright, so we have 23,000 results here. Let's go ahead and select this first article. First thing we want to note is that up here at the very top of the page along the search bar is the citation. So if you want the citation for the MLA, APA, or Chicago style, it is available to you right here. Just cut, copy, and paste. Remember that these are machine generated, and you will want to double check that those are accurate. You can also send it to yourself. You can download it. The link, this is the permalink, so if you want to come back here, just copy this and save it somewhere that you can find it later. This link up here is a timed link and will not work after this session, so just keep that in mind. If you scroll down a little further, you'll get even more background information, such as the authors, the publication date, and how many words are in the article. You also have the ability here with this database to listen to it, so you can actually listen to the entire article. You can download it in MP3 format. So that's pretty neat, and you can also save it directly to your Google Drive or your Microsoft OneDrive. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us. We are available through chat or email, and always here to help. Thank you.